In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit VAT in Xero. Managing your VAT submissions can be a straightforward task with Xero's intuitive features, and I'm here to guide you through the process. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in handling your VAT submissions. First, let's start by opening up Xero. You'll want to log into your Xero account to access your dashboard. If you haven't logged in before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your dashboard is your control center and will give you a quick overview of your financial status. Once you're in, look for the Accounting tab situated prominently on the dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find a variety of options related to your accounting needs. Here, choose the Accounting settings. This is where you'll be able to tailor Xero to better meet your specific requirements, a crucial step if you're managing VAT. After selecting Accounting Settings, you're going to want to navigate to Financial Settings. Clicking on this will lead you to a page dedicated to financial details that impact how you manage various aspects of your business, including your tax data. This is where things start to get more specific. At this point, you're going to arrive at a section marked as Your Tax. Within this area, you can view and edit the tax information necessary for accurate VAT submissions. Make sure that all your details are correct and up to date. It's always good practice to double check that your VAT registration details and tax rates align with your latest financial data. Once you have verified and updated any necessary information regarding your tax settings, the next step is to save these changes. You'll find the Save option somewhere towards the bottom or top of the page. This step is crucial, as it ensures all your data entries are recorded and ready for submission. It's a small step, but vital in ensuring accuracy and compliance. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to submit your VAT without hassle. Xero definitely eases the process with its organized and user-friendly interface, making your task of staying on top of VAT submissions less daunting. Remember, staying organized is key, and regular checks can prevent any surprises come tax time. That's all there is to it. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and you've gained confidence in managing VAT submissions through Xero. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your Xero experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.